Are you over 60 and finding that stairs feel a little harder than they used to? Maybe your hands tingle as you hold your morning coffee, or your knees feel stiff when you stand up from the couch. If that sounds familiar, please know you're not alone. And more importantly, you're not without options. Many people reach this stage of life and begin to notice small changes in their bodies. Tasks that once felt effortless may take a bit more time and energy, and it's easy to quietly worry about losing independence. It's often said that weakness, joint discomfort, and reduced stability are just a natural part of aging, but that's not the full picture. In many cases, these changes are linked to a gradual decline in collagen, an essential protein that supports your bones, joints, muscles, and skin. Think of collagen as the structure that helps hold everything together and keeps your body moving comfortably. When we're younger, our bodies produce plenty of collagen, helping us stay strong, flexible, and active. Over time, however, this natural production slows down. As a result, joints may feel less supported, muscles may lose some strength, and everyday movements can become a bit more challenging. The encouraging part is this: supporting your body doesn't always require complicated solutions. Simple, nourishing foods and small daily habits can help you care for your strength and mobility in a gentle, natural way, so you can continue to move with more comfort and confidence. This hidden villain of collagen deficiency is the real reason why your legs feel heavy, why your joints ache when the weather changes, and why you might be struggling to maintain the vibrant, active lifestyle you have always enjoyed. But here is the incredibly empowering truth that the medical industry often overlooks while promoting expensive, temporary injections and synthetic supplements. You can naturally reignite your body's collagen production and reinforce your weak legs by strategically incorporating specific, nutrient-dense vegetables into your daily diet. And wait until you hear about vegetable number 3, an unexpected powerhouse from the ocean that completely transforms how your body maintains its structural integrity. These 8 powerful vegetables are not just food. They are advanced biological tools that provide the exact raw materials your body desperately needs to activate the specialized cells known as fibroblasts, which are the tiny biological factories responsible for churning out fresh, new collagen fibers. By making a few simple adjustments to your meals, you can actively protect your joints, stop the painful degradation of your cartilage, and restore the youthful stability that gives you the confidence to navigate your day without hesitation. Let us begin our empowering journey to better mobility with vegetable number 8 on our list, the beautifully vibrant red bell pepper, a true nutritional powerhouse that most people completely underrate when it comes to joint health and structural support. While many people immediately reach for citrus fruits like oranges when they think of vitamin C, red bell peppers actually contain significantly higher concentrations of this essential nutrient, which is the absolute non-negotiable spark plug required for collagen synthesis to occur within your body. Without adequate vitamin C, your body simply cannot link the amino acids together to form the strong, rope-like collagen fibers that support your weak legs, making the red bell pepper an essential daily requirement for anyone looking to rebuild their internal scaffolding. Furthermore, these bright red vegetables are absolutely loaded with a unique antioxidant compound known as capsanthin, which works synergistically with the vitamin C to actively fight off the destructive enzymes that try to break down your existing collagen, acting as a powerful biological shield against premature joint aging. Imagine waking up, slicing a crisp, sweet red pepper into your morning eggs, and knowing that with every single bite, you are literally feeding your fibroblasts the exact fuel they need to weave new, resilient connective tissue around your knees and ankles. Transitioning seamlessly to vegetable number 7, we find the dark, leafy green champion of the garden, spinach, a remarkable food that offers a profound level of support for aging bodies struggling with stiffness and muscular fatigue. Spinach is completely packed with a synergistic blend of beta-carotene, lutein, and vibrant chlorophyll, all of which work together to severely reduce the systemic inflammation that makes your joints feel hot, swollen, and painfully restrictive when you try to move. But the true magic of spinach for those over 60 lies in its incredibly high magnesium content, a vital mineral that acts as a natural muscle relaxant, helping to soothe the tight, overworked muscles in your legs that are desperately trying to compensate for weakened joints. When your joints lack the proper collagen support, your leg muscles have to work overtime to keep you stable, leading to exhausting cramps and a constant feeling of heaviness. But the magnesium in spinach helps to release this tension, restoring a fluid, comfortable flexibility to your stride. Adding a generous handful of fresh spinach to a lunchtime salad or gently wilting it into a warm evening soup is a simple, delicious way to flood your system with the exact micronutrients required to support your connective tissues and stop the painful friction that makes walking a chore. Now, if your joints feel incredibly stiff and you literally hear them popping and clicking when you bend down, you must pay close attention to vegetable number 6, the highly misunderstood but incredibly effective okra. Many people avoid okra because of its unique, slightly slimy texture when cooked, but that exact gel-like substance, scientifically referred to as mucilage, is exactly what makes it a miraculous healing food for your aching, dehydrated joints. Think of the mucilage in okra as nature's ultimate joint gel, a biological lubricant that mimics the viscosity of the synovial fluid naturally found inside your joint capsules, providing a soothing, slippery cushion that prevents your bones from painfully grinding against each other. By regularly consuming okra, you are actively helping your body to maintain the hydration and thickness of your joint fluid, which drastically reduces the physical stress placed on your deteriorating cartilage and allows your weak legs to move with a renewed, effortless grace. Whether you roast it with a touch of olive oil until it is perfectly crispy or simmer it slowly in a rich, comforting stew, okra is a powerful dietary intervention that can literally change the mechanical function of your knees, making those daunting stairs feel manageable once again. Moving on to vegetable number 5, we encounter the miniature trees of the culinary world, broccoli, a cruciferous titan that possesses an almost unparalleled ability to protect your hard-earned collagen from the relentless assault of environmental damage and internal decay. Broccoli contains a highly specialized, scientifically revered compound called sulforaphane, which is activated when you chop or chew the florets, and this incredible phytochemical acts as a master switch in your body, turning on hundreds of protective genes that aggressively fight against cellular degradation. As we age, our bodies are constantly bombarded by oxidative stress, a destructive biological process where unstable molecules called free radicals attack and sever our delicate collagen fibers, leading to rapid joint deterioration and a profound loss of muscular strength in our legs. The sulforaphane in broccoli acts as an impenetrable shield, neutralizing these free radicals before they can ever reach your joints, thereby preserving the structural integrity of your connective tissues and ensuring that your legs remain strong, stable, and ready to carry you through your day. If you are finding value in this and want to protect your independence, tap the like button, then subscribe to join our growing family of proactive, health-conscious individuals. And please tell us in the comments which of these vegetables you are going to try first, because we read and reply, because this is a real community dedicated to healing together. Continuing our journey to vibrant joint health. If your legs constantly feel cold, heavy, or easily fatigued even after a short walk, you desperately need the remarkable vascular benefits of vegetable number 4, the deeply pigmented, earth-toned beet. Beets are an absolute treasure trove of naturally occurring dietary nitrates, which your body brilliantly converts into a powerful messenger molecule called nitric oxide, a substance that tells your blood vessels to physically widen, relax, and open up. As we get older, our blood circulation often becomes sluggish and inefficient, meaning that the vital oxygen and specialized nutrients required to repair microtears in our leg muscles and joint tissues simply cannot reach their intended destinations, leaving our lower half feeling permanently exhausted and weak. By drinking a small glass of fresh beet juice or adding roasted beet slices to your dinner plate, you are forcefully driving a massive surge of nutrient-rich, freshly oxygenated blood straight down into your legs, delivering the raw materials needed to reinforce your muscles and drastically accelerating the healing process of your weary joints. And now, we have finally arrived at the highly anticipated vegetable number 3, the unexpected powerhouse that we teased earlier, a miraculous gift from the ocean that is tragically absent from the standard Western diet, edible seaweed. While terrestrial vegetables are bound by the nutrient quality of the soil they grow in, which is often severely depleted of minerals due to modern farming practices, seaweed grows in the nutrient-dense bath of the ocean, absorbing a vast, unparalleled spectrum of trace minerals that are absolutely critical for human health. Seaweed is exceptionally rich in essential minerals like iodine, calcium, zinc, and copper, all of which act as crucial cofactors in the complex enzymatic reactions that facilitate robust collagen synthesis and the maintenance of dense, unbreakable bones. Furthermore, seaweed contains unique, structural fiber compounds that actively support the gut microbiome, ensuring that you actually absorb the vitamins and minerals from all the other healthy foods you eat, making it a foundational element for anyone trying to fundamentally rebuild their body from the inside out. Incorporating a simple, savory seaweed salad or sprinkling dried kelp flakes over your meals can provide the massive mineral boost your body has been begging for, helping to transform your weak, trembling legs into sturdy, reliable pillars of strength. As we move to vegetable number 2, we look to the elegant, spear-like stalks of asparagus, a springtime favorite that holds a profound secret for halting the aging process and preserving the youthful elasticity of your connective tissues. Asparagus is one of the premier dietary sources of glutathione, a molecule so incredibly important to human health that scientists routinely refer to it as the master antioxidant of the entire body. Glutathione possesses the unique ability to not only neutralize the oxidative stress that aggressively destroys your collagen networks, but it also actively recycles other antioxidants like vitamin C and vitamin E, keeping them in the fight longer and creating an incredibly robust, self-sustaining defense system within your joints. By regularly enjoying steamed or lightly grilled asparagus, you are directly infusing your cells with this master antioxidant, effectively putting a permanent stop to the rapid cellular aging that causes your knees to ache and your legs to feel powerless, allowing you to reclaim the vibrant, active mobility of your earlier years. Finally, we reach the climax of our list, the absolute most powerful, yet most tragically overlooked collagen-boosting green in existence. Vegetable number 1. Humble, everyday parsley. Most people view parsley as nothing more than a useless, decorative garnish to be carelessly pushed to the side of the plate, but modern nutritional science has revealed that this incredibly dense, flavorful herb is actually a biological powerhouse capable of profound internal healing. Parsley contains a staggering concentration of a rare, highly bioactive flavonoid called apigenin, which has been scientifically proven in numerous peer-reviewed journals to directly stimulate the creation of brand new cartilage cells, actively working to repair and rebuild the very joints that conventional medicine often claims are permanently lost to time. In addition to the miraculous regenerative properties of apigenin, a single, generous handful of fresh parsley delivers a massive, concentrated dose of both vitamin K, which is essential for directing calcium into your bones to keep them dense and strong, and vitamin C, the critical catalyst for new collagen synthesis. Imagine the profound empowerment of knowing that simply blending a cup of fresh parsley into a morning smoothie or tossing it heavily into a vibrant Mediterranean salad can actively reverse the signs of internal aging, stop the painful degradation of your knees, and completely rebuild the structural confidence you thought was gone forever. You do not have to accept a life where your world slowly shrinks due to physical limitations, where you are constantly struggling with painful movements, and where you feel like you are slowly losing the independence you have worked your entire life to build. By gently choosing to nourish your body with these 8 wonderful vegetables, like vitamin C-rich red bell peppers, soothing okra, mineral-packed seaweed, and fresh parsley, you're giving yourself simple, natural support to feel a little stronger each day. It's not about quick fixes, but about caring for your body in a steady, thoughtful way. Imagine waking up, placing your feet on the floor, and feeling a bit more stable and comfortable than before. Walking into your kitchen with ease, without that familiar hesitation. Small changes like these can truly make a difference over time. This isn't about chasing perfection. It's about supporting your body with the nutrients it needs so you can continue moving through your day with more comfort and confidence. Growing older doesn't have to mean feeling weaker. It can also be a time of learning how to care for yourself in deeper, more meaningful ways. Thank you for being here with us. If you found this helpful, you can like and subscribe, and feel free to share in the comments. Which one will you try first this week? Okra or parsley? We always enjoy hearing from you. and it means a lot to be part of a supportive community that's focused on staying strong, active, and independent together.